Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Canva design assets used inside your no-code apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Canva design where your assets are located. Identify the elements you wish to back up. Select the first element by clicking on it. Once selected, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the download option. Choose the file format suitable for your needs. For images, consider PNG or JPG formats. For vector graphics, select SVG if available. Click on the download button to save the asset to your device. Repeat this process for each design element you want to back up. If using multiple elements, consider grouping them first. To group, hold the Shift key and click on each element. Right-click and select Group from the menu. Once grouped, download the entire group in your chosen format. Another option is to download the whole design as a PDF. This can be useful for backing up layouts and text. Simply click Download, then select PDF. Make sure to choose all pages if you have multiple designs. Once all downloads are complete, check your device's Downloads folder. Organize the files into a dedicated folder for easy access. Label the folder appropriately for future reference. Consider backing up your assets to a cloud storage service. This provides an extra layer of security for your designs. By following these steps, you can easily back up your Canva design assets. Now your designs are safe and ready for use in your no-code apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.